Hi, in this series of videos, we're going to discuss about how to use the most common inhalers found on the market for the treatment of asthma and COPD. My name's Stefan. I'm a respiratory physician. I work in the UK at the moment. You may have stumbled upon this channel and you may see that some of the videos are not in English, they're in Romanian. That's because that's where I'm from initially. So I can talk about a couple of inhalers which are really in common use. I'm probably going to start off with the most common one, which is the salbutamol inhaler or the Ventolin, as you can see here. Then probably I'm going to discuss about a couple of others. So I've got a Foster Nexhaler inhaler, then the normal Foster inhaler. We've got two of them. They have the same active principles in them, but they are used differently. And then we're going to talk about maybe the Ellipta inhaler, which is a series of 3 inhalers, different compounds in them, but the same way of using it. Then we've got the old Seretide. So I've got a demonstration device here. I'm going to show you how to use this one. What else do I've got? The Symbicort, which is again a very common one. And then there's this one. I'm not sure if it's available all over the world, but it's a Duoresp Spiromax. So this is the equivalent of Symbicort, but it's a generic. And probably we must not forget about the old Spiriva. So this is with the capsules, and maybe there's another one I will show you that I have in my bag over there. But enjoy this series. Hopefully it's helpful for you guys. And if you like this content, do watch the other videos in the series, subscribe, comment below. Looking forward to seeing you in the next videos.